learners and solvers. I'm going to create this series for everybody who wants to learn the beginning of using Excel efficiently. So, if you want to become pro at Excel, please subscribe to this channel and follow my journey from beginners to advanced. So, today I will show you how you can get Excel. So, currently I am using a free version of Excel thanks to my student membership with the university. That's why it's free. So you can do that as well. If you're a student, you can get access to Microsoft 365 using your student ID. On the other hand, if that is not your case, there are other options how you can purchase Excel. So now we're going to see how you can get access to Excel if you do not have a student ID. So now I am on the Microsoft's own website where you can see there you can use it for free. Looking to use Excel on the web. Let's check. So you have to log in here. Let's see the buying options here. Product. So if you do have student login, then you can enter your school email address here and get started. Most schools, if you're in the UK, most schools are subscribed to Microsoft 365, whether you're in school, college, or university. Individuals. Let's see that 2 to 6 people can use Microsoft 365 for £79.99 per year. That's alright, not bad. Or you can buy at £7.99 per month. And 365 personal is £59.99. Or it's £5.99 per month. That's also a good deal. And also there is another way you can get access to spreadsheet even if it's not called Excel, that is using Google Drive. They are very similar yet very different. So here I'll show you the main difference between spreadsheet and Excel. So you can see that on spreadsheet it's quite simplified version of Excel, whereas Microsoft Excel, a blank workbook for now. Great. You can see it has more tools and more functions here. So if I go under home, data here, so these are what you get. There is quite a bit of difference between spreadsheet, well, Google Spreadsheet and Microsoft Excel. It really depends what you need. Where I worked once upon a time, we used mostly spreadsheet, and spreadsheet contained everything we needed. And also the best thing about the spreadsheet was that so 2 people can access it live at the same time and work on it. So that made more sense for us. Unless you are in a place or a job that requires you to do more complex data analysis, I think then Excel is the best for you. Now I'm going to talk to you about why you should learn Excel. If you join a job or a workplace, you will definitely, no matter what, you will need to use Excel for some or the other reason. And that is why Excel is really important. And if you can gain intermediate to advanced Excel skills, then you will be up above the game at your work. So what are the specific stuff that you will need Excel for? For example, for data entry, it allows you to manage information more nicely and smoothly and allows you to see information much more clearly. And you may need Excel for other various reasons as well. For example, for data analysis, to see, for example, if you have a customer basis and you want to know how many customers you have, that's like a very simplistic question. So Excel will allow you to count that easily and enter data as much as you want, and Excel can automatically count that. On the other hand, for example, if you had a situation like 100 people are using your service, and then where you have like 20 people who have left your service, and you can also enter data why they have left service, and at the end you can analyze them, making a pie chart or bar chart, and find out and just visually see it clearly why people are leaving and what's making people leave. This will allow you to see things clearly and also find solutions much more quickly. And that's all for today. If you are excited to learn Excel with me, please subscribe to Learn and Solve right now. Thank you for watching the video.